like tell us a bit about how the first show went down and how, like, you know, what the audience can kind of expect from Mack Mabel?
Yeah, we've been really lucky with our audience this year. Everyone's been really excited about the show. I think it's not a musical that many people know necessarily, but the music is Jerry Herman, which is like classical music theater, you know, like that's it. So you're getting that classic music theater sound, but with comedy elements and great choreography and hopefully some heart-wrenching emotional scenes.
Definitely. Do you know anything about like Cardiff or coming to Wales?
No, I don't know anything, but everyone has told me that it's beautiful, so I can't wait. I can't wait to visit.
As long as it's not raining.
But it seems to happen a lot here.
No, it'll be fine. So have you heard anything about the Millennium Centre itself?
I've heard that it's beautiful, but again, I don't really know much about it.
You'll see when you get there, it's a really impressive building. It's actually the second biggest theatre in the UK.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's quite new, it's about 10 years old.
Oh, awesome.
So, like, the facilities are amazing, like, all the artists always love their stay with us, so it's something to look forward to.
Oh, absolutely, that's great. That's like the light at the end of the tunnel.
And, like, what would you say, I don't know, is your favourite thing about Mack Mabel or about this particular production?
I think what we were talking about earlier in terms of the juggling, it's really a special show that you get to do so many things and wear so many hats, and you know, it's always the traditional like triple threat musical theatre thing of singing, dancing, acting, but
it really is.
In this show there's the quadruple threat of the comedy, and I think that's a really fun element that
really
you don't get to do all the time.
What did you think of the costumes? Because I absolutely...
Oh my gosh, it's like a dream. It's like playing dress up sometimes, you know?
Wow, good luck with it all.
Thank you very much.
It was absolutely amazing. I can't wait for it to come back to Millennium.
Oh, thank you. We're excited to see it.
Yeah, I think I'm going to be in the audience every night.
Oh, perfect.